This is Rihanna. I am handling the overseas sales. Today I want to show you some brand new CISS. So this is released this weekend. So I want to show you and how to install this CISS with the cartridges. So I hope you see this video and you can follow to install your product. Okay, let's learn. When you take off the cartridges, this is very important. There is the push button under the cartridges. Push this button, and you have to while push the cartridges also, so you can take off the cartridges. Okay. If you just push under this button, you can't take off that. So push here and push under button. Same time. So you can separate cartridges with the CISS. Before to connect cartridges with the CISS, you have to remove the air in the cartridges, in the compatible cartridges. You have to remove the air. You have to remove the air in the compatible cartridges, same way, each color. We remove the air in the compatible cartridges. When you turn on the printer and connect the printer with the CISS, you can see this alarm. It is the same sensor with when you out of ink. This sensor to notify you make the refill. And this is very outstanding design. There is also LED ink sensor here. You can see. This beautiful and pretty, fabulous CISS has 250 milliliter each capacity, each color. When you're out of ink, there is sensor to notify you have to make a refill. You need to change this housing with ink bag. So if you want to refill this model, you need to buy housing and ink bag, including an ink bag there. You can't make refill in yourself. You have to buy the cartridges, this model. We finished the sample test. 다 된 거죠? 또 해야 돼? 갖다 줘봐. This is test for head nozzle. It's perfect. So I hope you see this video and follow to installation. The important thing, you have to push underside of the cartridges and push here same time, and then you can take off the cartridges. Okay, remember this. Okay. See you next time. Bye.